come to depression, man. I'm feeling it. Realize from 1,000 pairs of eyes.
Thousand stares from 1,000 pairs of eyes. Yes, sir.
Back in the day, bro, artists used to put whole skits in the middle of their CD. You get acting and you get the album. Hey Mike, what you doing, man? Sounds fun. Sounds fun. Need you to find me some AI for cutting up DIY videos. They got AI for just strictly DIY genre, bitch.
I need that AI for the DIY genre.
Yeah. See how I got these two video cameras set up?
I just want to be able to record and not have to stop
and going. I want to be able to record, throw that shit in AI, and then do it for me. Like, get the best parts. That would be dope, right? Has to exist, man. Has to exist. My lady with the hair. The lady with the hair.